oil to me machine and Emma a motorcycle seller safety. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri
And my name is Triwayuni.
and thank you for watching.
Good afternoon, sis. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. My name is Hanana Shira.
Let me check it first.
Okay.
Your handlebar is damaged. Is better. The request
How much is it?
325,000 rupiah.
Can you lower the price?
Yeah, 322,000 rupiah.
Alright. If I get the oil too.
Okay. The free standard oil.
Nice deal.
Okay, we'll fix it now.
Thank you for watching.